How to grow Mina Lobata. Mina Lobata, prevalently called Spanish flag, is a perpetual. It is frequently developed as a yearly in colder districts. Local to Central and South America, Mina Lobata is an individual from the morning glory family. It is a standout amongst the most prominent climbing vines. Mina Lobata is extremely mainstream. The gaudy blossoms of this quick climber will sprout lasting through the year. In tropical locales, the tubular blossoms change shading. Sprouts begin a red, turn orange, and complete a velvety yellow in the wake of blossoming. Mina Lobata's nectar-rich blossoms draw in hummingbirds and butterflies. Plant propagation. Mina Lobata plants are developed from seeds. Specifically sow seeds outside after peril of ice has passed, and the dirt is warmed up. You can begin plants inside, for a month and a half before the last ice in your general vicinity. The youthful plants are ice delicate. Transplant seedling outside after the low temperatures surpass 40–45 degrees. Plants develop best in a rich, humusy soil that is all around depleted. Blend a lot of fertilizer and excrement into the planting site. Try not to overload nitrogen-rich manure, or you will wind up with heaps of leaves and vines, yet few blossoms. Start the season with a high nitrogen compost recipe toward the start of the season. Change to a high phosphorus equation preceding the sprouting time frame. Plants are warmth and dry season tolerant. Keep soil soggy, water as required, and particularly amid hot, dry periods. Mulch around plants to hold weeds down, and for a slick and clean appearance. Give a trellis, fence or arbor for the vines to climb. Blossoms bloom, summer to fall.